Hi everyone, I am Payal and I welcome everyone in my today's class wherein today we'll talk about an initiative that has been taken by the government of India in providing nutrition to our people. Yes, you heard it right. So here in this particular video we are going to talk about Poshan initiative that has been taken by the government of India. So this month on 8th of March, Poshan Abhiyan या फिर you can say Poshan scheme has completed its 7 years. Now we'll see in this particular video that what is entirely about the Poshan system and why there was a thing that government launched this particular initiative और किन किन categories को या फिर you can say कि कौन कौन से ऐसे individuals हैं जिनको जो पोषण है वो provide करवाया जाता है. But prior to that, what is important to understand here the meaning of पोषण. So whenever I talk about पोषण, it is a Hindi word है ना, या फिर आप बोल सकते हो कि ये जो है वो एक ऐसी लैंग्वेज में वर्ड है जिसका मैं अगर इंग्लिश में मीनिंग बताऊं तो दैट इज कंप्लीटली न्यूट्रिशन. सो हियर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट व्हाट? Here we are talking about providing nutritions to our individuals. Now after that what becomes important to understand here कि किसको हम nutrition provide करवाने की बात कर रहे हैं. So you can see here that we are the government of India is aiming to provide nutrition to the ladies या फिर you can say the girls who are adolescent girls, to the pregnant women, to lactating mothers and to the children who are of the age who are in between the age of 0 to 6 years of age. ठीक है. So इन categories को ये proper ध्यान रखा जा रहा है that government has taken an initiative जिसमें it is ensured कि हम क्या करेंगे, ये जितनी भी हमारी जो categories हैं हम इनका ध्यान रखेंगे किसका, nutrition का, कि वो क्या कर रहे हैं. Now we have a lot of individuals who cannot afford health care, who cannot afford good food. ठीक है. सिमिलरली अगर मैं लैक्टेटिंग मदर्स की बात करूँ या फिर अगर कोई एक इंडिविजुअल कोई भी विमेन है जिसको अभी बच्चे को जन्म देना है, सो उसका हेल्थ का भी ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. बट फैमिली कैन नॉट अफोर्ड द इंटायर एक्सपेंडिचर, सो गवर्नमेंट इज देयर टू हेल्प दोज इंडिविजुअल्स. नाउ नेक्स्ट व्हाट इज इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड हियर कि ये कब लॉन्च करा गया था. सो द न्यूज इज ऑलरेडी हियर दैट इट इज कंप्लीटेड इट्स 7 years. It was launched in the year of 2018. झुंझुनू विलेज में जो है इसको लॉन्च करा गया था. दैट इज अ डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ राजस्थान. फोकस किसके ऊपर है? दैट फोकस ऑफ द दिस पर्टिकुलर अभियान इज टू ले एम्फेसिस ऑन द न्यूट्रिशनल स्टेटस. If our individuals, if the individuals of our country would be of good health, then only our country, or you can say then only our individuals can perform as an asset for our country. So it is very important that you are taking care of the growth of the country as well. But similarly, I have told you many a time that it is the responsibility of the government of India to focus towards the development as well. And only that is the only development is possible only when we are taking care of the interest of each and individual section of our society. It should include everyone. It should include the welfare of women. It should include the welfare of adolescent girls. It should include the I would say the interest of SC/ST group. So development includes what? You are taking welfare of the you're continuously towards the welfare of the people. So that is when our country will start developing here. Now we'll see what are the objectives of this particular scheme. So सबसे पहले what is the major objective is that it prevent and reduce the stunting in children that are in between the age of your 0 से लेके 6 years की age में. Now it will include or it will prevent, it will reduce the undernutrition status here. ठीक है. जो भी individuals, कोई भी बच्चियाँ, कोई भी mothers who are lactating mothers, who the children who are in between the age of 0 to 6, उनको प्रॉपर न्यूट्रिशन प्रोवाइड करने का किसका काम है? गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया का. एंड इफ दे आर कंटिन्यूसली प्रोवाइडिंग देम न्यूट्रिशन, सो इट मींस अंडर न्यूट्रिशन जो हमारा इशू है, ठीक है, जो हमारा इशू है हमारे इंडिया में जो दिस पर्टेनिंग इशू, दैट विल बी रिड्यूस्ड. नेक्स्ट, रिड्यूस द प्रेवलेंस ऑफ अनेमिया अमंग द यंग चिल्ड्रन दैट आर इन बिटवीन द एज ऑफ 6 से लेके 59 months. ठीक है. सिमिलरली हियर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द रिडक्शन इन द प्रेवलेंस ऑफ anemia among women and adolescent girls as well who are in between the age of 15 से लेके 49 years तक. And we have to reduce low birth weight as well, which is known as your LBW. So these are the objectives of this particular scheme. Now why do we need for पोषण? Why do we need for पोषण? हमारी जो बॉडी है उसको न्यूट्रिशन की क्यों जरूरत है? या फिर अगर ये पर्टिकुलर अगर मैं स्कीम की बात करूं, why is it necessary? So it is directly related to what? Nutrition in your body. And nutrition, if if your body will have nutrition, then you only will be able to work. एक बच्चा अगर अनेमिया जैसी प्रॉब्लम से गुजरेगा तो वो कल को बड़ा, अगर मैं ग्रोथ की बात करूँ उसकी, तो how it can become an asset for our country. ठीक है, आर एसेट्स, और आई वुड से द एसेट्स ऑफ द कंट्री आर यूथ ओनली. कल को जाके अगर वो बड़ा होगा, सो ऑफ कोर्स दैट विल क्रिएट मोर प्रॉब्लमैटिक सिचुएशन फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर इंडिविजुअल, फॉर फैमिली एंड एज वेल एज योर फॉर इकोनॉमी एज वेल. So that means what, you have to take care of the health system of each and every individual, each and every family, each and every region, each and every state, so that this thing is ensured कि हमारे जो individual है, अगर हम country की मैक्रो पर्सपेक्टिव से बात कर रहे हैं तो माइक्रो पर्सपेक्टिव से जो चीजें हैं वो भी बहुत बेहतर है. Now we'll see that why do we need Poshan initiative here. So persistent poor nutrition during the most critical period of growth and development can result into stunting or children being short for their age. Likewise, acute nutritional deprivation leads to wasting in the children, causing them thinness, that is too thin for their height. So these are the situations which can arise, these are the problems which can arise if we do not take care of nutrition in our body. ठीक है. Next, the financial case for investing in maternal and your mother, your child nutrition is strong, as good nutrition is linked to improvement of the child development and consequently to the national development as well. So you can consider this thing here कि government ने जो एक child की जो development है उसको directly link करा है किसके साथ, हमारी nation की development के साथ. So government is directly saying that each and every child that is born in an economy is an asset for our economy. And we have to take care of our asset, we have to take care of our asset also. हम हमारी ही रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि जो हमारा जो नवजात शिशु जो पैदा हुआ है वो उसको प्रॉपर न्यूट्रिशन मिले, ताकि कल को जाके वो हमारी डेवलपमेंट, हमारे जो नेशन की डेवलपमेंट में है वो कंट्रीब्यूट कर सके. सिमिलरली यू हैव नेक्स्ट थिंग इन विच गवर्नमेंट इज सेइंग दैट ब्रेन अटेन्स 80% of its adult size by the year of 3 of age and is nearly fully grown by the 5 years. Nutritional deprivation and lack of responsive care during early years not only impairs the children's physical growth but also negatively impacts their brain development as well. And if there is a problem in the brain development, of course that will create a problematic situation for our country in the coming time. Similarly, we'll talk about the strategic pillars here. So one, it has an access to the quality services, cross-sectoral convergence is there, leveraging technology is also there, and it is directly linked to Jan Andolan as well. ठीक है. Now we'll see about the programs that are priorities here. So one is the first 1000 days a critical window of opportunity. So यहाँ पे बोला जा रहा है कि जब प्रेगनेंसी से लेके जो हमारा जब when a child is born, so उसके जो पहले 1000 days हैं उसके अंदर जो है गवर्नमेंट उसका ध्यान रखेगी टिल द टाइम जब तक उसका सेकंड बर्थडे नहीं आ जाता है. ठीक है. सो प्रेगनेंसी से लेके फर्स्ट ईयर इंक्लूड करके एंड सेकेंड ईयर इंक्लूड करके जब 1000 डेज बन जाएंगे तब तक कौन ध्यान रखेगा, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया जो है इसका ध्यान रखेगी. सिमिलरली यू हैव इंश्योर एक्सेस टू द एसेंशियल सर्विसेज एज वेल, सप्लीमेंट्री न्यूट्रिशन प्रोवाइड करना, फीडिंग काउंसलिंग प्रोवाइड करना, ग्रोथ मॉनिटरिंग का ध्यान रखना एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स विच आर टेकन केयर बाय द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया हियर. नाउ यू कैन सी प्री प्रेगनेंसी से लेके प्रेगनेंसी इंक्लूड करके हमारा बर्थ इंक्लूड करके 6 वीक्स इंक्लूड करके 6 मंथ्स 1 ईयर टिल द टाइम जो हमारा जो बच्चा है वो 2 साल का नहीं हो जाता तब तक हर जो चीज है उसका ध्यान कौन रखेगा, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया इसका ध्यान रखेगी. नेक्स्ट यू हैव जन आंदोलन फॉर बिहेवियर चेंज. सो यू हैव की थीम्स एंड बिहेवियर हियर. पहला जो इंक्लूड करता है वो क्या है कि ओवरऑल न्यूट्रिशन जो है वो कितना प्रोवाइड करना चाहिए हमारे जो इंडिविजुअल है या फिर जो हमारी जो मदर है विच इज प्रेग्नेंट. नेक्स्ट जो है ANC डाइट ऑफ प्रेग्नेंट वुमेन इज इंक्लूडेड है विच इंक्लूड्स योर कैल्शियम एंड सप्लीमेंट्स. नेक्स्ट you have optimal breastfeeding, complementary food and feeding is there, full immunization and vitamin E supplementations are there, growth monitoring भी होती है, promotion भी करी जाती है. next it includes your anemia prevention कि जो बच्चा है या फिर जो मदर है या फिर जो लड़की है उसको anemia जो है वो ना हो, इस चीज़ का भी यहाँ पे ध्यान रखा जाता है. similarly you have food fortification and your micronutrients that are very necessary to provide to the your individual, your mother, your lactating mother and your child as well. It will include your diarrhea management as well. Girl education and right age at marriage is also given here. And next, hygiene, sanitation and safe drinking water is also ensured. And your early childhood care and education is also promoted here. Next you have multi-sectoral convergence. Multi-sectoral convergence as in that a lot of, or I would say many of the ministries are included here. ये ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ एक ही चीज का हम ध्यान रख रहे हैं. When I talked about providing sanitation, proper drinking water, then it means what? जो अलग मिनिस्ट्री है वो उसके अंदर इंक्लूड होगी. ठीक है. सिमिलरली अगर मैं जल जीवन मिशन की बात करूँ तो वो उसमें भी इंक्लूड हो सकता है. सो इट डजंट मीन कि जो हमारा जो सेक्टर्स हैं वो अकेला हम हेल्थ की तरफ ही ध्यान दे रहे हैं. इट इंक्लूड्स वेरियस सेक्टर्स. सिमिलरली जैसे मैंने बात करी किसकी, हमारा जो प्रोवाइड करना, सेफ ड्रिंकिंग वाटर प्रोवाइड करना, इसमें जो है वो अलग मिनिस्ट्री इन्वॉल्व होगी. एजुकेशन में अलग मिनिस्ट्री इन्वॉल्व होगी. हेल्थ केयर में अलग मिनिस्ट्री इन्वॉल्व होगी. So it means it has an excess of multi-sectoral convergence. Similarly, we have service delivery through the technology as well. So you can have your mobile application for your service delivery. Similarly, you have Anganwadi workers that captures data on your mobile only. Okay, that will help to keep an access. The task based on intervention and growth monitoring get populated automatically. Similarly, you have the aggregated information that is available in the real time and at all supervision levels. Now it enables your data driven and fact based decision making. So here we have ICDS, common application software, that helps an individual in the various perspectives, and this helps to the government, and this helps an individual as well. Now next you have your mission Saksham Anganwadi Poshan 2.0. So यहाँ पे अगर मैं Poshan 2.0 की बात करूँ, so this is just an extension of Poshan. This is just an extension of Poshan. And why it is extended? Because Poshan somewhere has given a lot of results. That is the reason the government of India decided to bring, or I would say to extend it. Now we'll see the data, what is included here, what improvements has this particular scheme has made. So you can see here that a strategic shift in the mission mode to develop the practices that nurture health, wellness and immunity from the malnutrition to the nutrition. Now if tomorrow you get a question on this particular issue कि हमारे जो इंडिया में जो malnutrition की problem है वो that is rising with the period of time, and what step is government taking to to resolve that particular issue. So you can write this particular scheme कि हमारे जो Poshan 2.0 है या फिर जो Poshan scheme है, this is one of the steps that government has taken to remove the malnutrition problem from our economy. So this is how you should approach your question. This is how you should approach your schemes, and you can integrate in making your answers better. Now here we'll see the data that here this particular scheme says that with the this much of Anganwadi centers operating across 36 states and UTs and 781 districts, this is one of the achievements. जो mission है that aims to enhance the health, wellness, immunity of children and also girls, pregnant women and lactating mothers. So these are the I would say कि ये सारे जो इंडिविजुअल्स हैं, ठीक है, ये सारे जो इंडिविजुअल्स हैं ये इसके अंदर इंक्लूडेड हैं. नेक्स्ट सपोर्टेड दिस मच ऑफ आंगनवाड़ी वर्कर्स दैट इंश्योर द न्यूट्रिशनल वैल्यू रीच टू दिस अमाउंट ऑफ एलिजिबल बेनिफिशियरीज. इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इंप्रूवमेंट इज ऑल्सो देयर दैट हैज इंक्लूडेड आंगनवाड़ीज, दिस मच ऑफ आंगनवाड़ीज विद देयर ओन बिल्डिंग्स एंड योर फंक्शनल टॉयलेट्स एंड एक्सेस टू द ड्रिंकिंग वाटर एज वेल. सो इफ आई टॉक अबाउट एक्सेस फंक्शनल टॉयलेट्स, सो यू विल हैव you can include it in स्वच्छ भारत अभियान as well, है ना. Similarly if I talk about drinking water, so यहाँ पे जल जीवन मिशन जो है वो इसके अंदर include हो जाएगा. So this is multi-sectoral. Only one sector is not included here. This is multi-sector in nature. This is multi-sectoral in nature. ठीक है. Next we'll see about the beneficiaries. किन को कितनी जो beneficiaries है वो जो benefits है वो provide हुए हैं. So you can see the data here कि यहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा जो beneficiary है that includes children that are in between the age of 3 से लेके 6 तक. Second if I talk about this area, so यहाँ पे वो children include होंगे जिनकी age कितनी है 6 मंथ से लेके 3 इयर्स के बीच में एज जो है वो है. ठीक है. Similarly, you have children that are in between the age of 0 to 6 months, that is this much. Similarly, you have lactating mothers, जिनका जो रेशो है वो इतना है, या फिर ये these are the numbers that are included here. Similarly, pregnant women की अगर मैं बात करूँ, pregnant women की अगर मैं बात करूँ, तो ये जो है नंबर जो है आपके पास अवेलेबल है. ठीक है. एंड adolescent girls जो है उनका इतना जो एरिया है, this much is included in the adolescent girls. So you can see the numbers have been written here. It has been given by the government of India. ये सारे जो numbers हैं आपको दिए गए हैं, and it includes this only. ठीक है. So this is about what was there in PIB and what was there that was launched, or I would say that was given by the government of India कि जो हमारा जो अभी 7 years जो है हमारे complete हुए हैं, and it is very important for all of the aspirants to know about Poshan, so that tomorrow if you get any of the question from here, ठीक है, चाहे स्टैटिक में आता है चाहे डिस्क्रिप्टिव में आता है, यू शुड बी एबल टू आंसर दैट. एंड I have taken each and every, I would say data here, so that you can, have an access of it. You can just get to know कि कौन कौन से जो benefits हैं या फिर कितना जो है ये benefit हमारे अलग अलग sectors को या फिर अलग अलग जो individuals हैं उनको provide हुए. ठीक है, so that is it about पोषण अभियान. We'll keep, posting such videos जहाँ पे schemes जो है, since schemes जो है वो that play a very very important role, and we'll keep on such, we'll keep on posting such videos so that it can help, you from an examination perspective and in general as well. So thank you so much. I'll meet you in the next one. Thank you.